got to run away. I've got to get away. I've got to get away.
Siyempre, sobrang thankful. Sayang at wala na ang aking ama, kaya lang kailangan tanggapin. Pero alam kong masayang-masaya na yan ngayon. Tsaka marami naman siyang iniwanan sa atin, hindi tayo nahihirapan. Kaya sobrang thankful ako sa ama, sa inyo. Nandito tayo sa point na ganito ang buhay natin. Tsaka mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Tyron, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Brenda Starr na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father. Wala nang iba.
Congratulations, base to base is Bren and Tyro.
Pero dahil hindi kayo perfecto, kaya kailangan ninyo ang isa't isa. Dahil ang isa't isa ang magpupuno sa inyong kakulangan. Brenda Starr, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Tyron Benedict na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Ako, Father.
Sigurado ka na.
From the moment you walk into my life, everything felt right. You are my greatest blessing, my answered prayer, and my safe place. Ngayon, habang nakatayo ako sa harap mo, buo ang puso ko magsabing ikaw ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
Mararamdaman mo, Tyron, ang nararamdaman ni Brenda. At mararamdaman mo, Brenda, ang nararamdaman ni Tyron. Dahil kayo'y pinag-isang dibdib. Ang inyong pakiramdam ay iisa. Ang inyong pinagdaraanan ay iisa. Dahil yon ang hiwaga ng pag-ibig.
Heavy like a landslide. That's the way my heart beats now. Up until the last song, I'll be reaching for you. Wanting you is all I know, and loving you is out of my control. So I'm letting go and going down. 'Cause nothing lasts forever anymore. But no one's felt the way I feel before. 'Cause you sweep the floor beneath me, and I'm falling. I'm infinitely falling for you. 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 With all that I am till the last drop.
Kay Micah! Thank you! Kay Kay! Thank you! Kay Ate Shi! Akan na to.
I'm letting go and going down. 'Cause nothing lasts forever anymore. We float above the way it felt before. But you sweep the floor beneath me, and I'm falling. I'm infinitely falling for you. I'm falling. I'm infinitely falling for you.
Thank you sa inyo mga pinsan.
Star, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kitang maging aking may bahay sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, sa karamdaman at kalusugan. Ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng aking buhay, ngayon at kailanman.
Tyron and Brenda, when you remain in love, katulad ng hamon ng mabuting balita, you will be each other's companions. You will complement each other. And you will live in communion. Because these three C's are the keys to a happy married life.
I was falling, I never reached the ground.
Kung gaano ka kaganda sa panlabas, mas higit pa yung kagandahan mo ng iyong puso. Kaya sabi ko nun nga sa sarili ko, hindi na kita pakakawalan kapag naging akin ka.
God answered that prayer when I met you and your family. I felt genuinely seen, welcomed, and loved. Today, we're stepping into a new chapter hand in hand, hearts full, and ready to embrace married life together.
Like the starlight painted in the sky. What we have won't fade into the night.
Tyron Benedict, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kitang maging aking asawa sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, sa karamdaman at kalusugan. Ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng aking buhay, ngayon at magpakailanman.
Ang dami ko pang gustong sabihin sa'yo, pero itong pinagusto ko na palagi mong maalala. Chubra-chubra kitang bahal.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Tyron and Star for Two!
It's always been It's always been, always It's always been, always been.
Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya, hawak kamay tayong lalaban. I promise to build a home with you that is full of laughter, peace, and prayers. You are my home, my happiness, and my forever. Padabaon ta ka.
Pinaka-greatest gift ko sa'yo, tanggapin mo itong apelido ko. Ngayon, official ka na, magiging Mrs. Fortus. Brenda Star Oxina Dashboard. Mahal na mahal kita, Mrs. Ka. Padaba, taka.